Welcome everyone. I did have an idea today of wanting to document this nor'easter that we had. I wasn't sure how much snow we would get. As you may have seen, I got a little backtracked because a tree fell on my vehicle, which I only took a limited amount of footage. I took mostly still shots because I wasn't sure how much damage it took, and I had to file a claim with my insurance company and all that, which luckily I still feel blessed. It does not appear to have taken any damage, but nonetheless that took up a good amount of the day. So as you can see, we got quite a bit of snow, several inches, judging from just what's there, what's on the table. So I'm gonna do a little bit of document some of the tree limbs that we took a good portion of the day clearing out. So I'm inviting you to come along with me and survey the damage in the snow. And just walking out here, you can kind of get a glimpse of just how much snow, and it is still falling quite a bit. The hot tub's pretty covered. Don't think I'll be going in that today. Did you enjoy playing in the snow today, Lupa? And just coming back out and gonna definitely have to do some more shoveling, but at least my vehicle at least appears to not have taken too much damage. Of course, a lot of snow has fallen, so it's hard to get a good look to see if there's any dings or scratches in the paint, but I did not see anything upon initial inspection. And this is just some of the wood. It was this tree, not just this tree, it was two trees. This one, totally, whole half of it, just all came down. My vehicle was right here. My roommate's vehicle is here. My other roommate's vehicle is right here. And that tree had fallen. This is a lot of the debris from that tree. So a big branch off of this tree broke. I'm getting a little worried about some of these branches. And then also, this is the tree that was the culprit. It fell on my vehicle. And like I said, my awesome neighbor came over, was good enough to chainsaw a lot of it off. So as you can see, it's not all on my vehicle. It was all over my roommate's vehicle here, and my roommate, who is now at work, vehicle there. It was just branches all over everything. So yeah, it took a lot of time, and thank God for my awesome neighbor. I can't thank him enough. All of this was on top of my car. All of this, a lot of it is buried under more of the snow because it has been snowing all day long today. Definitely gonna have to do some more shoveling too. I don't know if you can see where that big branch just kind of snapped right off. And all of this was part of that. But like I said, thank the Most High. Counting my blessings. It could have been a lot worse. We'll have to have somewhat of a bonfire because we have a lot of excess wood right here. And may leave the grill alone for a little while because it's buried underneath here. The shovel has been consumed once again by the snow. Not a fan of the winter by any means. Maybe one day I'll make it down to warmer climates. So, not a lot of documentation. I just kind of wanted to document this nice, beautiful storm. It is very beautiful. It's already been a rough 2024 though. A lot of things going on. So, gotta try to stay positive though. And once again, I'm counting my blessings. So hopefully all of you in the Northeast that are watching this, hopefully you stayed safe during the storm. Hopefully it ends soon. I'm going to go clean off my car, shovel the driveway again, and I'll leave you with peace. That's my idea of getting warm, right, Lupa?